In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Payment Pending Verification. So if it's asking for a verification for your actual payment, that may be because you need to actually verify the information that you have inputted. So right here, payment is pending because the phone number or email address that you have sent money to is not verified or is not associated with Venmo. So this is not an error on your end because it's an error on the receiver's end. So with this, gently ask your receiver to actually verify their account or sign up with Venmo. So in that way, they will be asked to verify their actual account by uploading necessary documents, their name, IDs, and the likes. And once they have successfully verified their account, the pending payment right there will be received by them, which means that the payment will go through after that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.